A contagious disease has escaped from a laboratory and is causing a breakout in Custras County. Stay indoors and do not make contact with anyone. This disease is airborne and will infect anyone who comes in contact with it. The disease has the form of an invisible gas that, when inhaled, takes control of the nervous system and brain. If you are experiencing muscle pain unexpectedly, quarantine yourself immediately. If a person you know is experiencing muscle pain or is acting weirdly, they are considered lost and you should not attempt to reason with them. Lock any infected away from humanity, and do not tend to them. Cover your mouth and nose. Gas masks are recommended within this pandemic. Updates will be given each hour of the situation. Stay alert, stay alive. God bless Australia. Goodbye, thank you for your time.